Mace Windu here from Civilized Sabers. I've got another tristar to show you.
The weapon of a Jedi. Then I am a Jedi.
This one is for Rey. This one is actually a replacement blade. The story behind this is Rey had trouble with his 20-inch tristar from Civilized Sabers, so we took it back and I actually just remade the entire blade rather than trying to fish out what the trouble was. So let's take a look at this new blade.
You're going to pay for what you did.
I'm liking it. I am displaying this blade inside my FX Sabers Yoda made Graflex lightsaber. It's got the crystal focus 10. Take a close look at the tip of this blade. This looks really good. Let's change to another font here.
Leave us. General Grievous, you're shorter than I expected.
Okay, we got another blue one. Let's go ahead and change the color
Spectrum.
on this crystal focus. Check out another version of this blade. Wow, the green looks really intense. Let's get some effect going here. This green 1-inch diameter tristar looks pretty awesome. You can get your own at civilizedSabers.com. This is a triple strip blade with 3 strips inside, not just 2. Still looks really smooth, looks really good. Let's go ahead and check out a different color.
Spectrum.
Ooh, that purple looks pretty nice. Different blue. Ooh, that was a nice green actually. The red, let's check out the red. Red looks super nice. And yellow flash on flash here. I am wearing gloves because I have sanded this blade and I don't want to get any of my fingerprints on it before I send it to Rey. Ooh, there was like a white. Let's try that one. Ooh, the white looks nice and electric on this short blade, on this lamp saber. And you can swing around this in your house without hurting anything. I'm looking at a big mirror behind the camera there so I can check out the tip and the way it looks in the mirror. So I'm going to continue testing this blade. I hope you will push the thumbs up button on this video, subscribe right here to Civilized Sabers, and come back for more lightsaber videos. I'm going to test this a little bit more and then send it to Rey. Hey everyone, it's Space Windu here from Civilized Sabers. Is anyone out there into comic books like I am? I really love comic books. I've always been into collecting them, and now I actually make my own. So if you want to check out my comic book, it's called Albatross Junction. We've got 3 issues, 1, 2, and 3. I make this book with my friend Kevin. You'll also get some posters. You'll also get some trading cards with it as well. These trading cards came out really cool this time as well. Now, me and my friend Kevin, we write the story and we illustrate the comic books. So go check them out if you're into comics. I think you won't be disappointed. So check out Albatross Junction. It's on orangebookcomics.com. You can get it direct from Indiegogo right now. Just go to orangebookcomics.com. I'll put the link in the description if you guys want to check it out.